How to add a video in the product page right under the add to cart button in your Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is very simple, so let's just go in and get to it. So first, just log into your Shopify admin and simply locate your edit theme. Click on that, and you're just going to go ahead and go to the default product page. So simply click here on the top, click on products, and select default product. Next up, we're just going to be able to find ourselves in here, and this is basically the details tab. The details tab is what actually includes the buy buttons as well. So we just want to find the details. From the left side here, click on template, click on the arrow next to product information, and we should be able to find the details. Now we're going to find the buy buttons. We can't really add anything in the buy buttons tab itself, so we are just going to add it right underneath instead. So we can just click on add block for the details and select video. Now we can just first move it downwards before we add the actual video. So just drag and drop it right under the buy buttons like so. So as you can see, this is going to be where it's going to be placed. So now we can simply just click on the block itself and change the different aspects to it. So first, the source, whether you want it to be uploaded to Shopify. If that's the case, you can just go ahead and click on select, upload a video from your device and just use that. Or you can even use an external URL instead. So you can just go in and get a YouTube video or any other video and just paste the link in here. So once you get the link, you can simply just paste it in here and you can set up the autoplay option like so. And it's also going to loop if you have this on. And basically you can just play around with the size, the aspect ratio, and other things as you can see in here. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.